Hello and welcome to Pinnavex. In this tutorial, I'll guide you step by step on how to create a URL QR code effortlessly and show you how to unlock its full potential with our dynamic QR code feature. This is perfect for creating flexible, trackable links that you can edit anytime. Make sure to watch this video till the end, because I'll also explain how our dynamic feature can show you exactly how many times your link was clicked, the pages that were viewed, the browsers and devices used, and even the countries your audience is coming from. It's the perfect tool for retargeting and optimizing your marketing efforts. Let's dive in. Step 1. Visit Pinnavex. First, head over to pinnavex.com. On the homepage, click on Create QR Code to get started. Step 2. Select the URL QR code option. You'll see a list of QR code options. Go ahead and choose the URL QR code option. Step 3. Input your URL. No, simply enter the web address you want your QR code to direct people to. It could be your website, a product page, or any online link. Step 4. Customize your QR code. Here's where the magic happens. Customize your QR code by changing the style or shape of the code, adding colors, designs, or frames in text, uploading a logo or background image to make it unique. You'll have complete control to match your QR code to your brand or aesthetic. Step 5. Test and download. Before you finish, make sure to test your QR code to confirm it works perfectly. If your QR code is in good shape, you should see something like QR code seems to be readable. But don't stop there. Go ahead to scan the QR code with your mobile phone. Then, hit download. It's absolutely free as a guest, and you don't even need to sign up. However, if you would like to save your QR code and track your link performances, we recommend creating a free account to access our powerful dynamic QR code feature. Here's how it works. Track exactly how many times your link gets clicked. See detailed stats like page views, devices used, browsers, and even locations of your audience. This data is valuable for retargeting and improving your campaigns. Let me quickly show you how to sign up. Click on the Sign Up button at the top of this page. Enter your name, email address, and create a secure password. Complete the CAPTCHA verification to prove you're human. Or sign up instantly using your Facebook or Google account with just a few clicks. Once you're done, check your email inbox for a verification link. Click it to activate your account. Now this is our dashboard, where you can manage all your QR codes and track your link performance with our advanced analytics system. Step 1. We want to click on Generate URL QR Code. Step 2. Here, you want to select the URL QR code. Step 3. Simply paste your URL link into this box. Whether it's your website, a landing page, or a product link, this QR code will direct anyone who scans it straight to that URL. For example, you could enter something like, let's say you're creating a QR code for your business website. You'd input www.pinnavex.com or https://pinnavex.com. Now, anyone who scans this QR code will be instantly redirected to Pinnavex homepage. Step 3. Enabling the dynamic QR code premium feature. Here's where things get interesting. Under the URL box, you'll see an option to enable dynamic QR code. This is a premium feature that gives you more flexibility. When you enable this feature, your QR code doesn't just point to the URL you've entered, it points to an internal short link. This means you can change the destination of the QR code at any time without having to reprint it. Click the box, you will see an option to create a dynamic link here. Click Create. Enter the destination URL link. For example, let's create an internal short link that is going allpetsgold.com. I will input www.allpetsgold.com as the destination URL link. You can also put your long link here for quick shortening. Next, input your alias. Let's use Pet Store. Then click on Create. Now, the link has been created and active, but let me show you how powerful this feature is. You can use the following advanced features. App linking is if you want your link to automatically open as an app when accessed on mobile. You can scroll down here to view the supported apps. We have temporary URL, You can select how long the link will work, page view limit, and also input another URL link you want your users to be directed after the expiration. Targeting. You can send visitors to URLs based on their continent, country, city, device type, operating system, browser, and even language. For example, let use country. Choose country from the drop-down, then create. You see another drop-down menu to select your country. Let's choose USA. Then insert the link. Now, when USA residents click our shortened link, they will be redirected to this link we just input for USA only. We also have password protection for your link and many other amazing features. Check them out. Now, let's continue with our QR code. If we click this link now, it will redirect us to the allpetsgold.com on the same page link. That's how link shortening works. Now let me show you how you can change the internal shortened link direction without sending new links or QR code to your audience. That's what makes it dynamic. Come down to this box and change the destination URL link, then update. Now let's click on that same shortened link. It will take us to the new destination we updated. So, if you want to update the link later, simply go to your Pinnavex account, edit, and update the destination URL for the QR code. No need to create a new one. To continue with our code creation, click this 3 dots beside Copy, then select Create QR Code. It will update it automatically. All your dynamic links will show here. You can easily select anyone you want to work on. Step 4. Styling your QR code. Now that your URL is in place, let's move on to styling the QR code to match your brand. As with other QR code types, you have various options for customizing the design. First, you can adjust the overall style by selecting from a variety of pre-designed options. Choose a style that best fits your brand or business identity. As you make changes, the preview will update in real time, so you'll always know how your QR code will look. Step 5. Customizing the eyes. Next, let's customize the eyes of your QR code, the 3 blocks in the corners. You can choose from several different styles for the inner and outer eyes. This allows you to give your QR code a unique touch while maintaining readability. Step 6. Adding color. You can also add color to your QR code to make it pop. Under the Colors section, you can adjust both the foreground and background colors. If you have brand colors that you'd like to match, this is the perfect opportunity to make your QR code blend seamlessly with your marketing materials. Step 7. Adding a frame and text. To make your QR code even more attractive, consider adding a frame. You'll find several frame styles to choose from. Customize it to add a personal touch. Additionally, you can add text to the frame, such as "scan to visit our website" or something more specific to your campaign. Customize the font, size, and color to match your branding. Step 8. Adding your logo. Want to make your QR code even more branded? Add your company logo in the center of the code. Upload your logo, then adjust the size and position to fit perfectly within the QR code. This makes your QR code look professional and reinforces your brand. Step 9. Adding a background image. You can also upload a background image for your QR code. Simply select the image you want to use and upload it. But here's a pro tip. If your background image is too bold or cluttered, it can affect the scannability of your QR code. To fix this, use the background transparency tool to adjust the opacity of your background, ensuring your code remains easy to scan. Step 10. Testing the QR code. Before finalizing, always test the scannability of your QR code. Use the built-in QR code reader to check if it's ready to go. You'll see a message saying, "QR code seems to be readable." However, we recommend scanning the QR code with your phone to double-check, ensuring it works exactly as expected. Lastly, create and downloading your QR code. Once you're satisfied with your design, go ahead and download your QR code. You can save it as a PNG, JPG, and other types of formats. And that's it. You've successfully created a URL QR code, and if you've enabled the dynamic QR code, you now have the flexibility to change the destination link at any time without the need to create a new QR code. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update on new features that will help your business grow. Visit Pinnavex.com to start creating your custom QR codes today.